Hello and welcome to this Jest tutorial video. My name is Kundan and I am here to guide you through the world of testing with Jest. Jest is a popular JavaScript testing framework that is fast, reliable and easy to use. Whether you are a beginner or an expert developer, this video will provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to start writing tests for your JavaScript applications. In this tutorial, we will cover everything from setting up Jest to writing and running tests. To more advanced topics such as mocking and code coverage, you will learn how to write tests for your functions, components and other parts of your application. And you will gain a deep understanding of how Jest works and what it can do for you. So sit back, grab a notebook and pen and let's get started. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to ask and I'll do my best to help you out. Ready? Let's begin.